good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. I can love you with my heart and soul. Not just looking good, for sure. A good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. I'll protect your peace and hold you close, while the whole world watches us glow. I know many guys got money and style, posting pictures just to go viral. But when the hard times visit your door, they disappear and love no more. Me, I come with loyalty, real love and maturity. I can pray with you at midnight, still make you laugh till sunrise. Dingamu fire sharp, even when life gets stormy. Not just sweet words for one season. Girl, I give love with meaning. You deserve more than attention, more than attention, more than temporary affection. A beautiful heart with direction, that's the real definition. A good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. I can love you with my heart and soul. Not just looking good, for sure. A good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. I'll protect your peace and hold you close, while the whole world watches us go. I'm not perfect, I admit it, but my love is authentic. No games, no hidden stories, just building future memories. You can bring your dreams closer, I'll support you, not control you. Real kings don't compete with queens, they help them reach bigger things. That makes your soul feel safer. Not just chemistry and pressure, but peace, respect, and forever. And when beauty fades slowly, character still shines brightly. Hey, that's why your heart keeps choosing me, more than the hype they see. A good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. Strong enough to fight your battles, soft enough to heal your soul. A good man is better than a handsome man. But lucky for you, I am both. Not just somebody to admire, but somebody you can call home. Lucky for you, I am both. Prince Vhafuwi.